In this video, I'll show you how to build a dashboard with Claude AI. This is a simple way to create a visual interface for displaying data using AI-generated code and layouts. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to build a dashboard. For example, I might type, "Create a simple dashboard with charts, stats, and a sidebar navigation." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate the dashboard code, which may include layout components, charts, and styling using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript or a framework. If I want a more advanced dashboard, I can include more details in my prompt, such as real-time data, filters, or interactive elements. For example, I might type, "Create a dashboard with charts, filters, and real-time data updates." Claude can also help explain how each part works, improve the design, or add more features as needed. Once the dashboard code is ready, I can copy or download the content and set it up on my computer or deploy it online. After that, I can open the project in my browser to view and test the dashboard. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to build a dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.